Welcome to Unboxing Tech. Today, we'll be trying out some cases and accessories for the new Galaxy Buds Pro that were released recently with the Galaxy S21 series. The shape and size of the Buds Pro are near identical to the Buds Live, so technically, any cases for the older Buds Live should be able to fit the Pro without any issues. As proof of that, we'll be using the Galaxy Buds Live cases from Ringke. Starting off, we have the Slim X case. The Ringke Slim X comes in two parts and is made of a hard PC material and is available in different colors. Make sure to check the general direction of installation before just putting the buds in. The wider cleft is for the charging port. With that in mind, just fit on the bottom part and push until there's a click. On the bottom part, there is a silicone strip to keep the buds from sliding around and a hole for easy removal. There are also 3 clips that hold onto the notched edges of the buds to keep the case in place. Finally, put on the top, making sure the indented part is at the back, so it doesn't get in the way of opening the Buds charging case. If it's done right, everything should just fit into place. And voila! It looks beautiful. To finish it off, you can use the included Cara-bean-er on the loop. The case doesn't come off very easily, so you can rest assured that it won't be falling off even if you hang it on your bag or keys. Aside from the Slim X case, Ringke also has a Hinge case. The Hinge case is, as its name states, a case with a hinge on it. You will need to manually put it together, but the parts fit together like adjacent pieces of a puzzle. Just snap it into place with minimal pressure and hassle. The hinge should hold the case together on its own, but putting the Galaxy Buds in will give it more support. Like the Slim X, you start off by installing from the bottom and then putting on the top. However, unlike the Slim X, this case mostly holds in place by the power of the hinge, so there aren't any additional latches that hold it in place. Honestly, whoever chose the colors at Samsung is a genius, and it's so worth getting a clear case to see the efforts of their hard work. The PC also gives the buds a glossy shine on the outside, making it even more satisfying to see. Ringke also includes a Cara-bean-er with the hinge case for the loop on the side if needed, so you can hang it onto your bag or keys. So that's our bite-sized review of the Ringke Slim X and hinge case for the Galaxy Buds Pro. Thanks for sticking around with me until the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!